Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable or disable Find My Device on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Google. Now from here, tap on All Services. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Find My Device. Now from here, if you want to disable the Find My Device option, just disable this toggle. Now from here, just enter your screen lock to confirm that it is you. Now from here, as you can see, we have successfully turned off Find My Device. Now if you want to enable Find My Device, just enable this toggle. Now from here, just enter your screen lock to confirm that it is you. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the Find My Device option on our Poco phone. And this is how you can enable or disable Find My Device on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.